up to all my subscribers out there? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're not a subscriber, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers and go ahead and subscribe below. So this is my ugly front porch. I've let this go on looking like this for too long. I know it's pretty bare and it's boring. I know it's hideous. So let's get to fixing this up. The first step was to clean off my front porch and get it ready to be painted. Now there's a lot of steps that go into painting, and I put a link below to a whole nother video in the description box so you can see how I did all of that. This bench has been in my house for years, and I thought it was time to move it outside and give it more purpose. And I found these adorable pillows to complement it, and they also complement my yellow front door as well. Okay, years ago I turned this old bar stool into a planter, and I know it's seen better days, but I'm about to replant everything and get it looking new and refreshed again. And I made a separate video on this as well, and I put it in the description box below for you to view it. And please be sure to stay to the end of this video to see an announcement that I have for my upcoming video. I wanted to give this old ottoman a fresher look, so I went to Walmart, and thanks to this quarantine, I found whatever little bit of fabric that I could find. And to be honest, I'm not even going to pretend to act like I know what I'm doing. I pretty much just winged it, and this is what I came up with. So I'm going to let you follow along. This runner was another purchase that I was kind of stuck with since all the stores were closed, but I made it work. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on little old me at the bottom right hand of your screen. So out of nowhere, I came up with this great idea to make a huge moss sign to hang on one of the walls of my front porch. This became one of my most favorite pieces of the entire project. At some point last year, I got fascinated with the foxtail ferns and I went out and purchased me some, and I haven't had any place to put them this whole time, but now I do. I am going to drill a hole in these 3 garden buckets that I got from Dollar Tree and then glue styrofoam circles in them so I don't have to put as much soil in them. I don't want them to be too heavy to pull this trellis down. And attach them to the trellis and put some English ivy inside of them. And voila! This was an easy find at Five Below for a cute little table that I'm just going to spray paint. And I came up with this cute idea for a little ashtray for any visitors that I have over my house that smoke. And of course, I have huge mosquitoes, so I definitely need my citronella candle on my front porch. I needed some long curtains to cover my entire front porch. So these are 95 inches long and 59 inches wide, and they were only $9 a panel on Amazon, so they were a good find. Okay, you guys, I'm busting out my drill, so watch me work. Time to make my homemade curtain ties with these cute cactuses to go with my cactus ashtray. Okay, as you're gluing these magnets to the ribbon, please make sure you are gluing the opposite side of each magnet. So on one magnet, make sure you glue the bottom of it. On the other magnet, make sure you glue the top so the magnets can connect to each other. My curtains were blowing all over the place. I had to staple those down. I'm going to try to explain this real quick. I glued the hard side of the Velcro to curtain number 1 and the soft side of the Velcro to curtain number 2 so I can attach them to each other and close the curtains. You'll see it at the end of the video how it looks. I love how everything turned out. This has now become one of my favorite places to be at the end of the day, where I could just get a glass of wine and go sit out here and relax and listen to the birds, because it's so beautiful and so peaceful out here. Oh, and wait till you see how it looks at night. It gets even better. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of any future videos. And keep an eye out for my upcoming video, the Do-It-Yourself Stepstone Walkway. Bye!